Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily connect Google AI Studio to Firebase. Let's begin. First, open up your Chrome browser. From here, go to the official website, Google AI Studio. Then on the left panel, click on Build, Applications. Select your application you would like to connect, this one. And from here, you just need to simply download this as a zip file. So for example, if it's not showing up in here, the download button, you can click on code and it should appear right over here. Download has zip file. So just wait for this to finish. So you have this on your PC already. Go to Firebase Studio. You can look up for Firebase Studio. Click on this very first link. From here, click on import a Git repo or upload your own project. So click on this. Click on upload project. I'm going to choose this one. Then simply name your workspace. Lens 1. So I'm going to click on import. And once you start this process, Firebase will do the rest for you and it will show you all of the progress it has done so far. Now this might take a while, just be patient. But once done, just to make sure to double check everything and see if anything needs any further configuration. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.